Hey guys, it's Isabella. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a what's on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. I just got the new iPhone on Saturday, so I'm super excited. I got the gold one. I wanted the silver one, but I went to Verizon and they didn't have it when I was there and I didn't want to wait, so I got the gold instead, and I actually really like it. So this case is from Amazon. It's a dupe for the Apple one. And then this is a pop socket from Target. I can link it down below. I'll link both of those down below actually. But right now we're just gonna go through my iPhone really quick. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Isabella, welcome. I really hope you guys stick around. Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and turn on your post notifications by clicking the little bell next to the subscribe button. That way you're notified whenever I upload a new video and you don't miss out. I also filmed part of an a little short unboxing. So this is my Verizon wireless haul. I guess, hold on, I'm gonna move my chair up. And I'm sorry that my bed's a little bit messy. So I just got this Zag case on it for it. They couldn't apply it there because of Corona. And then this is my phone. So I'm so excited. I need to basically move everything here, but I will do the unboxing right now for you guys. Let me get the camera situated. Okay guys, let me see. So here is the phone. Sorry if you're a little bit lopsided. This is the phone. I got the 256 gigabyte phone. And so now I'm gonna unbox it. So we're just gonna open it. Okay. And oh my god, she's so pretty. I love it. And I also bought myself an Amazon case. It's kind of like a dupe of the Apple silicone cases. It's literally a dupe, but it's only $16 or $17. So this is my phone case I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna just lift it up here. Oh my gosh, okay. This is my current phone, and then this is the new phone here. So let's see what else there is in here. So there's the phone, right? And then you open this, and I get the USB-C charger, and I get another set of headphones that I wish they were AirPods, but I can't get them right now. Peel off this. Oh god, it's sticking to me. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay guys, so it is currently turning on. I haven't put on the protector yet, but yeah, sorry my desk is a little bit messy. I apologize. I want to let you know I have a bunch of unread emails, so I apologize about that. But I'm gonna start the recording right now. Okay, so everything's gonna be right here on the screen. When you unlock my phone, what I have is calendar. I just have Google Calendar and Apple Calendar, or iCal. Next thing I have is photos. I have photos, camera, Visco, Dropbox, which I don't really use that much, so I should probably delete. Unfold, Facetune, Lightroom, Story Art, Unnum, and Hype Type. I don't use, honestly, Hype Type or KD Pro, but KD Pro is cool, so I might keep that. And I used to use Canva for my other job that I used to have. The next one I have is Maps. It's like my routing stuff for Maps, and it's just Nissan Mobile, Nissan Connect, Maps, Google Maps, and Google Maps, and Cinemart. But Life 360, Bible, Jesus Calling, the Weather Channel app, which now you have to pay for a majority of it, which I don't like. Reminders I use a lot, mainly just to like remind me like to turn in assignments and stuff like that. Sometimes I put that on there. Then I have She Reads Truth, which is like another devotional, but I honestly haven't used that ever really. Then the next thing I have is Beyond Pilates. So I'm just scheduled to go in on tomorrow at 10:30, and my class is with Noria. She also has a YouTube channel, by the way, so I'll leave her YouTube channel in the description box. Hi Noria, if you're watching this. Then I have the Microsoft to-do list. It took the place of Wunderlist, I believe, and I was able to import my list from there. I don't think you can do that anymore. I know the Wunderlist no longer exists really, so Next I have Clue, and it's just to track my period. I have Eve. It's another period tracking app. Honestly, I don't use it, so I don't know why it's here. Then I have Indeed Jobs when I was looking for a job a while ago when I worked 2 jobs up until January, and so while I was trying to find a second job, I used Indeed. Indeed's a great app. Then I have my activity, and I haven't really done much today, but I started working out last week, so you can kind of see my stuff. So yeah, yesterday I walked, I moved 603 calories, so that's not bad. Next I have gift keyboard, and that's just so I can send people gifts. Next thing I have is 23andMe. Y'all know what that is. It's a DNA testing thing. Then I have Clara from my doctors to talk to. I talk to my psychiatrist and my dermatologist through those. Next I have the Nextdoor app, and that's just around my neighborhood, so I haven't checked any of those notifications yet. And then after that I have Great Clips. Now Great Clips I go to get my hair cut, and then when I get it styled I go like to a salon and stuff. Now I think she used to cut my hair when I was younger too, because I've been going to Great Clips since like I can remember. But anyway, next I have games. I do not use a lot of these games at all, so they're just on here. But Fallout Shelter, I don't think anyone's played that since like 2015. If you still play it, good for you. I like the game. I haven't played it in years though. And I have Best Fiends because everyone was talking about it on YouTube, and everyone was saying like, oh, go download it because it's a sponsorship, and it's actually really fun. So I have Summoner's War because Zach plays Summoner's War, and I kind of play it sometimes here and there. I have 2048. Y'all know what that is. It's just a game. Discord. Ooh, it has a lot. My friend went live last night, and I haven't checked her messages yet. All I know is that she went live. And then I have Toon Blast. It's another kiddish game, but it's actually fun. Trivia Crack, Mario Kart, Evil Apples, which is like a phone version of Cards Against Humanity, and Pokemon Go. I haven't played a lot of these in a while. Next I have email. I know I have like 33,000 emails right here, but it's at Gmail, Amazon. I don't know why Amazon's with my email. Let's just go with it, whatever. Chrome, which is my internet browser. I don't use Safari at all. I do not like Safari. I know a lot of people feel the same way. And then Outlook for my school email. Then I have my social media. I have to go on Facebook and check those. But I have Facebook Messenger, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok. Go follow me on TikTok. WhatsApp. I talk to my family in South America using WhatsApp. And I have Facebook pages, FaceTime, Google Duo, which is basically like FaceTime for Android people or people that have Google phones or something like that. I use that to talk to my dad and sometimes Zach. Then my dad lives here, but like if he wants to email me, he just calls me. Then I have contacts, Twitter, which I don't really use as much as I used to, Bitmoji, Twitch, Trello, which is like an organization, like planning app. Sometimes I use that for my videos. I mainly use it on my computer though. LinkedIn, it's just like a professional like business app where you can find opportunities and stuff like that. I Messenger Kids because the girls I nanny, they just recently got a Messenger Kids account, and so they want to talk to me through there, so they text me through there. I have Eventbrite and TimeHop. I don't really use Eventbrite much, but when I go to events I do. And then TimeHop is pretty cool to see what you've posted in the past. Then I have my YouTube folder. So I have my YouTube app, YouTube Studio, SubCount, YouTube Count, Magic Links, and Google Ads. And then I have my banking app, Wells Fargo, my work time app. My work time app is how I track my hours when I'm nannying. Then I have my Discover app, the Cash app, Mint, TurboTax, Venmo, CarMax, my Verizon. I just got my own phone plan with my new phone, so that's what I've had my Verizon for a while, but now I actually need to have it on here. PayPal, Wallet, Safeco Insurance. I'm not sure if we have that insurance anymore, but whatever. Self-employed for my nanny taxes, and Owners Plus. I'm not sure entirely what that is. And then I have music. So I have Spotify, iTunes Store, Shazam, SoundCloud Podcast, and Pandora. Right here for food, I have a lot. So, and there's probably some on the outside. I have Find Me gluten-free because my boyfriend has celiac, so he can't eat gluten. And then I have Chick-fil-A, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Starbucks, Chipotle, Dunkin' Donuts, Nectar, Juice Bar, Snappy Salads, Jimmy John's, and Panera Bread. I don't shop out, I don't go out to eat much. I used to, like when quarantine first started, I was ordering like every day and it was really bad. But now I don't do that anymore. Now I'm shopping. Target, of course, right? We all love some Target. I have Target, Lyft. Don't really use Lyft. We used it when I went to VidCon like in 2018. Home Goods, don't really use that. Afterpay, I use that. Ticketmaster, nope. Like to know.it, I do use. I'm actually an affiliate with Reward Style now, so y'all can go shop my feed. Etsy, I love Etsy. Best Buy, I use Best Buy. Gas Buddy, I don't really use. Quad Pay, which is like basically Afterpay. Unidays for like student discounts, because you can get student discounts if you're like a college student with this app. And Shop Arbonne. Sephora, Ulta, Student Beans, which is another student discount app. I haven't used really both like Unidays or Student Beans at all. And then Airbnb. Then I have all the Apple apps that y'all know about. That's where my settings app is, okay. Then I have nanny apps. So I have Seesaw Family, Gizmo Hub, Caregiver, like from care.com, and then Bambino Baby. Gizmo Hub is for the Gizmo smartwatches for kids that Verizon sells. Both of the girls I nanny have that. And so I can also communicate to them through there because, you know, they don't have their smartwatch is only for kids, so they can't have like Messenger on there. And Seesaw is for their school. Next I have TV. Hulu, Netflix, my Amazon Echo app, Disney Plus, Smartcast, Fire TV for the girls' TV at home, and Roku for downstairs. Then I have travel, which is Hilton Honors, American Airlines, Hit List, which I don't use, and Flight Aware, which I use when my family members are flying in. You can track their flight. Next I have college, which is Canvas, Student, Quizlet, Notes, Google Drive, Rate My Professor, Wolfram Alpha, calculator, Notion, which I barely use, I heard about it at VidCon, Bitly, Office Lens, you can like scan in documents through that lens, you take a picture, it becomes a scan, Files, Chegg Study, and student apps for UNT. Now all the apps that I have on the apps, I've yet to categorize yet, so I'm sorry, but I have Vagaro, which is where I schedule my waxing appointments. Then I have Trend, which my friend invited me to, but I don't think I got approved to be a part of it, so I'm gonna delete it. Then I have Reward Style. I am approved to be in Reward Style, so you can search me up. I'll have it on the screen, I'm sorry, but yeah. And then we have Anchor for Anchor Podcasts. I just wanted to say I did start a podcast, but I haven't uploaded I haven't really filmed any episodes yet. But I do know what that's going to be about. So my podcast is called Inspire with Isabella Lucia. I've only had one episode so far. Next I have Sally's Beauty. I have Apple Store. I have GroupMe for like a bunch of YouTubers and I and stuff have had like group chats in there. So I have that app again. And then I have Redbubble, Bumble, and then Bumble I use for Bumble BFF. And then I have Milkshake for my Instagram profile. It takes you to my YouTube channel. It's a really cool app. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, really quick. The bottom ones on my dock are messages, Instagram, Snapchat, and call. Basically, okay, so you see my link right here. You click here, and it takes you to this page. And this is where this is my Milkshake thing that I created. So it has my links, YouTube, TikTok, like to know.it, and vlog channel. Then my About Me, and then my YouTube channel. You can go watch my previous videos. The subscribe button does not work. I don't know why, I'm sorry. So if you just click on the links here, it'll take you to my channel. But I thought that was really cool. My Snapchat is private now, so I'm sorry. I just wanted some privacy. But my Instagram, you can go follow me. It's at Isabella Lucia. I will leave it on the screen. that is it for this video, you guys. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me, and don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on your post notifications. And also don't forget to comment saying what you liked about this video. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.